So now we finally have a workable plan that is under construction. It is going to be about, I think, 350 multifamily units, market rate mostly with some workforce housing, about 4 or 5 stories high, and it's going to be a wonderful addition to this area.
There's many benefits to this project, but one of the many that are important to our countywide goals is to be able to, in every chance we get, add affordable housing, and this project does that. This is part of the county's vision to come to fruition in Bailey's Crossroads, not just development, but high quality development that we can play a role in as county government and help facilitate so that other projects like this can blossom in and around this site. And that's great for everyone who lives in this area, travels through this area, and great for our county in terms of revitalization.